Hello, my name is Mike. In this video, I'll show you how to generate a spreadsheet in the HCM Spreadsheet Data Loader, which will allow you to bulk load data into Oracle HCM Cloud. To begin using HCM Spreadsheet Data Loader, or HSDL, you'll need to download and run the Desktop Integration Installer. This will install the ADF-DI Microsoft Excel add-in. Access to HSDL and individual templates must be granted by administrators. Different roles can be granted different access so that only the templates pertinent to your role are available. There are two ways you can access spreadsheet templates: through the work areas and through Data Exchange. Many of the pages linked from the Workforce Structures page that manage things like jobs, locations, or departments display the Manage in Spreadsheet button. These link to pre-configured, seeded HSDL spreadsheets that are available to all customers. When I click the button, it downloads the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet file name is always the same. If there's one already in my download folder, it appends a number to the end of the file name to make it unique. For security reasons, I'm required to sign in again with my application sign-in credentials. If I have a role associated with the seeded template, a bulk data loading spreadsheet will be generated. If administrators haven't configured access, or I don't have permissions for this template, the spreadsheet will display an error once I've signed in. The first 25 lines in every HSDL spreadsheet are identical. The lines and columns below that will change depending on what use case the spreadsheet has been configured for. I can see here that this one is for creating and updating jobs. If I go back to the application and download another spreadsheet from a different page, I can see the differences. Again, the first 25 lines are identical, but I can see that this spreadsheet is for creating and updating locations, and the columns are configured for a location use case. I can also access the pre-configured seeded HSDL spreadsheets that are available in the Workforce Structures pages here in Data Exchange, as well as some that are only available here. Depending on your permissions, you might not see some of the options on this page, such as Spreadsheet Templates, which is where we can define what a spreadsheet should look like, or Delete Spreadsheet Stage Table Data, where we can delete spreadsheet data from the staging tables. Most users will only have an overview of what spreadsheets have recently been loaded, and the ability to generate spreadsheets for bulk data loading. The spreadsheets displayed here will be determined by your role. For example, if I'm a payment specialist in the US, then the spreadsheets listed here will be those that pertain to that role and region. The pre-configured, seeded spreadsheets accessed through the Workforce Structures work area pages will also be listed here if I have a role with the permissions to use them. I access all the spreadsheets the same way I did before. This concludes the HSDL Overview Generating a Data Loading Spreadsheet tutorial. Thanks for watching.